Kenny here. Tell you what, kiddos, let's go paint a bridge, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we are. Now we're going to get kind of serious. I've already got this little area here dampened in. And what we're doing now is we're going to put in the bridge. And I'm using a flat brush so I can paint a little wider swath, okay? And this, as we know, is going to dry lighter, which is exactly what we want. Okay, we're just coming on down, and this is just burnt sienna. You can use any dang brown color you got. It's perfectly all right. Okay, we're bringing it around the corner here, like that. Okay, and we're going to bring it down here. It's going to go through the light and out, just like that. Okay, through the light and out, just like that. Just like that. Okay, there we are. Just like that. Now that's going to dry lighter, and it's going to kind of just ghost itself in and through. Okay, and right here where the light is the most, we're going to make it lighter, just like that. Okay, be with me tomorrow. We'll put the abutments in and maybe the bases that they're sitting on. So be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, leave me a comment, let me know how we're doing. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And that's the quickest bridge we ever got painted. Now we got the abutments of things set, so we take care of those things tomorrow. Don't worry about that today. And remember to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, leave comments. We need the comments for the algorithm. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.